Did you fail in Skill2 last cycle? Want to get distinction in this cycle? Don't worry, you are at right place. Hi everyone, I'm Ashti here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share what are the remaining skill practice questions left in the previous video. I will share here. I already made a video on part 1. If you are not watched it, go and watch it, and I also attached that video in description as well. Go through and watch it. Before moving into practice questions, those who are watching my channel first time, please do subscribe and keep supporting me. Coming to the topic, if you want to get distinction in any track, not only Skill2, the only thing is you need to do practice as much as possible. Of course, you all know practice makes man perfect. But do you really agree that? I don't agree, because in reality I observe that practice makes improvement. Am I correct? I hope you get my point. So practice as much as possible and do revise some IAVAL courses, LinkedIn courses, and follow some webinars too. Finally, at the end of the day, you can see your successful status. Coming to the practice questions, I can share some questions here. Have a look. Hope you like it. If you have any queries or doubts, if you want to know anything about wings1 exam, feel free to use comment box. Thank you for watching. For more videos, do like, share, subscribe.